Welcome to Home of Math. A plus b whole square, the formula of a square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is very simple and common. Another theory, a plus b plus c whole square, which is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. By this formula, today we are going to solve these three math, which is very important for any kinds of competitive examination in the world. Let's start. Here we are starting from number 7. One question, why we are starting from number 7? Because 1 to 6 we already complete part 1 and part 2, and this is a part 3 of algebraic expression. First question, if a plus b plus c equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca equals to 31, what is the value of a square plus b square plus c square? Previously I told we are going to solve all math based on a plus b plus c whole square. So we can write first, here is number 7, given a plus b plus c equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca equals to 31. We know a plus b plus c whole square equals to what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This one we know. From this theory we can write, if we change this one to this side and this one to this side, we can write like this: a square plus b square plus c square equals to what? A plus b plus c whole square minus, look, here is 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. We can take common 2, so ab plus bc plus ca, right? Now look, a plus b plus c whole square, here is 9. We can write 9 square minus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca, here is 31. We can write 31. So here is 9 square, it means 81, minus 31 times 2, it means 62. So 81 minus 62, the answer is 19. Okay, very simple. Hope you understand this one. But one thing you have to memorize or you have to know about a plus b plus c whole square theory. Number 7 done. Now number 8. Here is, if a square plus b square plus c square equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus c equals to 8, what is the value of a plus b plus c whole square? So directly we can write here a plus b plus c whole square means what? We know about a square plus b square plus c square, then plus, we can take common 2, so ab plus bc plus ca. Just we can put the value directly, a square plus b square plus c square means 9, right, plus 2 times 2 ab plus bc plus ca means 8. So 9 times plus 16, so the answer is 25. This is very simple math. Okay, number 8 done. Number 9. Here is a plus b plus c equals to 16 and a square plus b square plus c square equals to 14. What is the value of a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square? Now look, given a plus b plus c equals to 6 and a square plus b square plus c square equals to 14. Now here is a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So this one we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square, and then here is b minus c whole square means b square minus 2bc plus c square, and then c minus a whole square means c square minus 2ca plus a square. Now look, here is a square, here is another a square, so we can write 2a square. Here is b square and b square, we can write 2b square plus here is c square and here is also c square, so 2c square. And then look, here is minus 2ab, minus 2bc and minus 2ca, so we can write minus 2ab plus 2ca, sorry, here is minus, everything is minus, and then minus 2ab to bc, right, bc and then 2ca. So here we can take common 2, so a square plus b square plus c square, and here is also we can take common 2, here is ab plus bc plus ca. Now we have to do something in rough, or if you want you can do it earlier, note it. We know a plus b plus c whole square, it means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? Now look, we need this one, it means 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, because here is this thing happen. So if we want this one, we can write like this, 2, we can take common 2, so ab plus bc plus ca, and this if we transfer a square plus b square plus c square in another side, we can write like this, a plus b plus c whole square and minus a square plus b square plus c square, we can take common minus. Now look, a plus b plus c whole square has value which is 6 and here is square, minus a square plus b square plus c square is a 14, so 36 square means 36 minus 14, so what is the value in here? Here is 36 minus 14 equals to 22. Now look, 2 times inside bracket ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 22, so we can put this value in here. So 2 times a square plus b square plus c square is 14 minus 2 times ab plus bc plus 2ca, which is direct we can write what, 22, whole this thing is a 22, so 2 times 14 is a 28 and minus 22, the result is 6, and this is our required answer. Okay, number 9 done. This part we are completing 7, 8, 9. Therefore part 1 to 9, 1 to 3, sorry, 1 to 3, part 2 4 to 6, and then this part 3, which is 7 to 9, and this math we are publishing, and last two part you will get in the description box. Okay, so no more today. Thank you very much being with me. If you think this video are okay for you and helping you, please subscribe my channel, and my request, share with your friends. Thank you.